I have one of the best kitchen tricks for you that will come in handy and save you so much headache and heartache. And yes, I got these from the Dollar Tree, 2-pack for $1.25. But bam, it even has this very nice opening right here. What happens when you're getting ready to cook something? You look at your recipe. By the way, these look absolutely delicious. Oatmeal chocolate chip, thumbs up if you love that flavor combination right here. You're looking at your recipe and it says right here, 1 stick butter, margarine or spread, softened, not melted. Well, if you're like me, I keep my butter in my refrigerator and it's surely not softened, but I want to make these chocolate chip cookies. So then what do? I'm like, all right, let me just put this in the microwave for a little bit, and then you put it on your plate, maybe you open it up and then you nuke it, and every microwave's a little bit different, but you don't want to melt the butter. You get where I'm going with that. You just want it softened, but you end up with a pool of butter all over your plate and you're like, oh crap, what am I gonna do? My butter is basically all melted. Can I still make these cookies? Heck yes, you can, but here's a little trick for you that's gonna save you so much time. And since most of us keep our toothpicks in our kitchen, this is gonna be easy access for you as well. I like to grab 4 toothpicks for this particular instance. I like to put one there. I like to put one there. We're gonna make legs. We're making legs for our butter. You can see right here. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. We're gonna take this and we are going to stick it on our plate. Bum, 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 bum. And I did that with one-handed. If you have 2 hands free, this is gonna be much easier for you. This is so cute. By the way, your friends and family are gonna be, what are you doing with your butter? And you're gonna say, just wait, my friend, this is genius. You're gonna wanna know this kitchen trick. Also, make sure you put your plate towards the end. It works better that way rather than right in the middle. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments box below. And then here's what's nice about this. We're gonna heat this up. We're going to soften it, not melt it. You'll know because it will start dripping and getting all oozy up in here. Now you certainly could take it out of this plastic if you want to, or you can leave it like this. It's up to you. This is easier cleanup in my opinion. You're gonna shut your drawer, you're gonna put your butter in there, and you're gonna watch it go round. Always do less time than you think you're gonna need, so you can always add more time when you want your butter nice and softened. And because I like to give you more than you bargained for here, lots of bonuses. Let's say you're having a dinner party or the holidays or something. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get yourself a lemon, and then you're gonna get yourself a knife. By the way, I just got this on Amazon. Absolutely obsessed with this contraption right here. I will be doing a video shortly on lots of good kitchen gadgets from Amazon, so make sure that you're subscribed for that one. But you know those big gaudy butcher blocks that have like 10 million steak knives in them, but people don't usually eat that much steak anyway? Yeah, this is much better. I will link this below for you in case you're interested. And watch this. This is just like really cool. This is not sponsored, but like amazing. So fun. I could do this all day long. You're gonna cut your lemon in half. What typically happens when people throw away their toothpicks after they use them? They put them in here and then it rips holes in your garbage bag, and that is a nasty mess. You do not want to be cleaning up. So tell your guests, when you're done with your toothpick, just go ahead and poke it in the lemon right here. When everyone is done with their toothpicks, you can take this end of your lemon and you can stick it on top just like so. It's cute, it's fun, it's functional. By the way, if you want to know a super cool Ziploc bag trick, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.